Hi everyone! This video will go over how to calculate sales discounts, sale prices, sales tax, and tips. So first, I will be showing you how to calculate sales discounts and sale prices. So for number one, in a department store, a $40 dress is marked Save 25%. What is the sales discount and sale price of the dress? Alright, so for this problem, first we are going to take $40 and multiply it times 25%. That will give us $10 for the discount. Then from here, if we take $40 and we subtract $10, that will give us $30 for the sale price. So the sales discount is $10 and the sale price is $30. For number two, we're going to find the sales discount and sale price for a shirt that is worth $45 and is marked Save 20%. So if we take $45 and multiply it times 20%, that will give us $9 for the discount. Then from here, if we take $45 and we subtract $9, that will give us $36 for the sale price. So the sales discount is $9 and the sale price is $36. Alright, so that is how to calculate sales discounts and sale prices. Okay, next I will be showing you how to calculate sales tax. So for number one, a pair of shoes costs $22.90. If the sales tax rate is 7%, how much would you pay? Okay, so for this problem, if we take $22.90 and we multiply it times 7%, that will give us $1.60 for the sales tax. Then from here, if we take $22.90 and we add $1.60, that will give us $24.50 for the total cost. So the sales tax is $1.60 and the total cost is $24.50. For number two, a department store has a suitcase that is worth $60. If the sales tax rate is 5%, how much would you pay? All right. So if we take $60 and we multiply it times 5%, that will give us $3 for the sales tax. Then from here, if we take $60 and we add $3, that will give us $63 for the total cost. So the sales tax is $3 and the total cost is $63. Okay, so that is how to calculate sales tax. And finally, I will be showing you how to calculate tips. So for number 1, a customer wants to leave a 15% tip for $18.50 at a restaurant. Calculate the tip and total cost of their bill. Okay, so for this problem, if we take $18.50 and we multiply it times 15%, that will give us $2.78 for the tip. Then from here, if we take $18.50 and we add $2.78, that will give us $21.28 for the total cost. So the tip is $2.78 and the total cost is $21.28. And for number 2, Josh and 2 friends went to eat at Applebee's for dinner. Their total bill was $65.25. They left their server a 20% tip. How much was the tip and total cost of their bill? All right. So if we take $65.25 and we multiply it times 20%, that will give us $13.05 for the tip. Then from here, if we take $65.25 and we add $13.05, that will give us $78.30 for the total cost. So the tip is $13.05 and the total cost is $78.30. Okay, so that is how to calculate tips. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.